Good day to everyone. Hope you guys doing well. Welcome to another video. This video is all about the spike trading only. Daily basis, a lot of people want to trade the spike. They start trading, but they not be able to make profit consistent. They end up blowing their accounts because no have a good edge in the market. Do you want to get same results like we with less trade and good accuracy and same results, a good profitable journey? You always start, but what happened after few trades? You realize that the thing is not going well. So don't worry about anymore because the strategy I'm going to explain is just simple like ABC. You just need to understand, focus, and that's all. First of all, give it a back test. And once you get the results of 100 trades, that's all. You're ready to go into the live market and make the profit using this. Let's move to set up the strategy. First of all, make sure in the all boom indexes you will go to the indicators section, delete everything which you already have, go to the zigzag. Now that's the core thing. We are going to add a zigzag. Here we will add a 50 period deviation. That's the most important. We are going to choose 7. Back step, we are going to choose it 4. Just simply click on save. That's the major structure. There is no lie about this. Okay. How to trade spikes using this strategy. Stop loss will be only 4 of max 5 candles. This is actually in the window of risk management. In case of 2 loss, 1 win, you are in profit. Okay. So, what's the catch in this strategy? Each time zigzag has confirmed a low or high, zigzag actually we added to extract the information of the structure. If manually you don't know whether the change of character was the break of structure, then this ideal setting, that's what the pivot based structure indicator use. So the zigzag is the manual structure mapping indicator. Okay. Just simply each time you see a zigzag just confirmed a low in the bull boom. If the index is boom index, then you have to look at the bottom line, which will be a low or lower low, higher low, is any low, doesn't matter. But it must be a confirmed. Okay. As you guys can see, the bull move is already done. So this is the area which is low, which is confirmed because market already went bullish. So this is the confirmed. Just simply mark it, extend it. Make sure don't leave the video and don't go here and there because what I'm going to explain is going to help you to make some cool cash. Okay. You always keep looking here and there. That's why you're making losses again and again using a bunch of indicators. A lot of strategies still losing. So don't worry about it. After you have a confirmation of there is a zigzag low, and just simply extend it at the mitigation point where the market is again coming down and again at the mitigation point. What's the actually mitigation point? That's the mitigation point. You took the entry and after one candle it went in spike. If you hold the trade, you simply can see this the profit. You made this the profit. But I prefer to use only SL4 candles or 5 candles. That's enough. That's in the window of risk management. In case of 2 loss, 1 win, that's enough to cover and make the profit. What's catch behind this? Every zigzag move, high or low, is not enough. So, what's catch behind this? Each time, my buddies and best, you see the market is somewhere at a low in the boom indexes, at somewhere at a low point. Make sure you watch the lower point which just started going bullish. Okay, from that point which start going bullish upward, you must see first 2 candles as an imbalance. You must have a fair value gap imbalance. If the imbalance is good, then yup, you're ready to go. Okay, and just simply wait the market, retrace, come into the zone, mitigate, you take entry as on 4 candles, and boom, you're ready to go and make the market. Let me show you into the Boom 300 index. Let's move to the Boom 300 index. That's what's my favorite pair. You're in Boom 300 index. The market just confirmed this zigzag area. Here you guys can see. Just simply market extended. Okay. The imbalance is good here. Okay. Stop loss will be 4 candle. The market is not just approached here. Once it come there, we're going to open our trade. Let's move to the boom 1000. That's one. Okay. Right now it's going to be bullish. Okay. That was a previous, which is not enough because the recovery, the market is not in a state. So here you guys can see this is a boom 1000 index. Okay. At the confirmation of the low here. Here you guys can see as the confirmation right now has the confirmed low area. Just simply extend it, okay, because there is a move bullish spikes. So that's the zone which is mitigation point. Just simply extend it at the mitigation point. Here you guys can see because of the previous biggest imbalance we found an area, and now here we go. What was the reason, etc? I'm not going in depth, just telling you the strategy. Just simply fine, go ahead, and good setups going to make you the profits. Here you guys can see this is not ideal setup. Why? Because the imbalance is not enough. It's already covered by this bearish move. Here you guys can see. Just simply if we extend it, and here you people can see if just simply extend it, market went down. This is the loss. There is no profits because of no imbalance. Because market have no enough imbalance. Okay. Here you guys can see that's a good scenario we found just here. That's the candle which is a low point. Okay, just simply once price come into this zone, I'm going to show you. Okay, at mitigation point, make sure at mitigation point. Okay, here you guys can see we took the trade right there, and SL4 candles hit done. Okay, that's a far it took a lot of time. In meanwhile, you already got a lot of more entries, you already running in the profit. So no worries, let's move to the crash and see the example of a crash. Once you have a confirmed high somewhere at high and have a good imbalance by the zigzag, here is the zigzag's confirmation of the high, because have a good imbalance and not fulfilled, waiting for the mitigation area. Now let's move to this mitigation zone and see where is the probably the entry. Okay, market went into the sell before touching this zone. That's the beauty of this strategy, guys. Just simply, let's move to the crash 5 and let me show you another example. Here you people can see right there, market just confirmed because, but there is not a good imbalance. We're looking for a good fair value gap which have enough imbalance. If the imbalance is not good, you're not going to take trade. Make sure to follow this rule, okay? That's the confirmation. Here you guys can see that's the high point of some zigzag confirmed. Also have a good imbalance, which is a fair value gap. Go into the zone, and here you guys can see. If I zoom it out, SL4 candles, and right there after the entry, you took to the trade, and after two candles, the spike is just happened. Enjoy the strategy, guys. Make sure to make the cash and do the comments and let me know how much you made. You took this strategy serious. You made the profit or not. Is there any confusion, any question you guys want to ask me? I'm here to help you. Just put the comment here. I will read them all and then make another video if you guys need. Okay, hope the explanation was good, simple enough to understand easily. Go ahead and make the money. Enjoy. Best of luck.